Right, second video on this Ford Focus, the titanium 120 brake horsepower 2015 model. So I've just filled up. Here's the average 23 miles per gallon. Obviously I really want to find out what on earth we are doing. So speed is 0, trip odometer, press the down key on this thing here, so this doubles as a how to reset your odometer. I've done 0.5 miles, OK reset, so I'm pressing this button OK to reset. That's it. So I filled it up, done what I usually do, fill it up, so I'm trying to find out how many miles per gallon this car actually does. Filled it up, wait till it clicked once, didn't fill it up anymore because it's one of them auto fuel caps. It pressurizes the system too much, it can blow it up apparently. So click once, leave it alone. In fact, it says click twice is okay, but click once is enough. Set the odometer. I'm going to run it until it goes kind of low again. Fill it up. See how many miles it's on. Here's my trip odometer. I don't want to see that anymore. I want to see the one before screen. So I'm pressing down. It's going average speed. So it's got. I'll run through the menu again. Speed, odometer, average fuel, instant fuel. No, it's got distance to MT 500 miles. Trip timer, average speed, and there's my okay. Right. So second video now, and I should go into my next video about why I chose this and some of the other competitors that didn't make it or was not lucky enough, or wasn't lucky enough to pick one up. Alright, thanks very much. Please like and subscribe.